Right now, students and housewives are using AI to make money online from home. Some are earning on Fiverr, some are selling products on Amazon and Etsy. Others are making money with YouTube Shorts and TikTok using AI tools. And the crazy part? Most of them started with zero experience. In this video, I'll show you the exact platforms they use, how they use them, and how beginners are making money step by step. Fiverr method, how it works. Let's start with Fiverr. On Fiverr, people offer services online. Here's what beginners are doing with AI. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to create blog posts, scripts, captions, or product descriptions. Step 2. Create a Fiverr gig like, I will write YouTube scripts with AI. Step 3. When clients place orders, AI helps complete the work faster. Some people finish projects in 20 minutes and charge $50 or more. Amazon/Etsy method, how it works. Now let's talk about online stores, platforms like She, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify allow beginners to sell products online. Here's how people use AI. Step 1. Use AI to find trending product ideas. Step 2. Create digital products like planners, templates, AI art, ebooks, printable designs. Step 3. Upload them to Etsy or Shopify. Every sale can generate passive income. And some people make money without creating products themselves. Amazon affiliate method. Another powerful method is affiliate marketing. People join programs like Amazon Associates. Then they create shorts, TikToks, or Instagram videos about products. When someone buys through their link, they earn commissions. AI helps them write video scripts, create captions, and generate content ideas fast. YouTube plus TikTok method. Many beginners are also creating faceless channels on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Here's the system. Step 1. Use AI to generate scripts. Step 2. Use AI voice tools for narration. Step 3. Add clips and captions, then upload consistently. One viral video can bring followers, clients, affiliate sales, and monetization income. But this next part is the real secret. The biggest difference between successful people and everyone else is action. Most people watch opportunities pass by, but successful people start before they feel ready. One skill, one video, one client. That's how online income begins. Imagine earning from your laptop. Imagine helping your family financially. Imagine looking back 1 year from now and realizing this was the moment you changed your future. AI is creating opportunities that never existed before, and the people learning these skills today will have the biggest advantage tomorrow. If you want the exact AI tools, websites, and beginner setup to start making money online, comment AI money, and I'll show you the next step.